In this video, we will learn how to install and configure JWT in ASP.NET Core Web API application. In Login API, we will send username and password from client application. If both the inputs are correct and if there is an exact match in the database, then we will generate the token by using JWT. Then we will return the token from our API. Now, I want to access some secure API from this application. Then I need to pass the token in the header of the request. If the token is valid, then only we can access the secured API. If there is a problem in the username and password, then we will return the error from the API. In this application, we are going to use JWT token. So we have to install one package for JWT. For that, let's open a NuGet package manager. So right click on project, choose manage NuGet packages. In the browse tab, search for JWT Bearer. Here, click this one, microsoft.aspnetcore.authentication.jwt Bearer. Here, change the version 5 because we are working with .NET Core version 5. Now, click the install button here. Then click OK. Click this I accept button here. It will take a few seconds to install this package. This package has been installed successfully. To work with JWT, we need some settings in configuration file. Let's open app settings.json file. Here we will add few settings. Add comma. Here you can give any meaningful name. Now I will give JWT. Here we need to pass three settings. Valid audience. Here also we can give any name, let's say user, then valid issuer. Here we have to provide the issuer detail. We are working in localhost, so we can enter the application URL here. For that, let's open launch settings. Here copy this application URL, paste it here. If you want to work with HTTPS, then you have to use this port and replace this with this one. Add S here. Now third setting, we need secret key. So we can give the name secret. This key must be minimum 16 digit long. So your key is, this is my secret key. That's it. We have done the changes in app settings.json file. Now let's open startup class. Here we will make some changes. Inside this configure services method, let's add new service here. Because we have to tell this application that we are going to use JWT token in this application. So let's add new service using this services, add authentication. So here we can write option dot default authenticate scheme. Here JWT Bearer defaults. Add the namespace. This JWT Bearer defaults belongs to using a microsoft.aspnetcore.authentication.jwt Bearer. Here we will use authentication scheme. In the second line, we will use default challenge scheme. In the third line, we will use default scheme. Then enter here. Now we have to add support for JWT Bearer. So we can use add JWT Bearer. So we can, there are some settings available in JWT token. So we can write here option.save token set true in option dot required HTTPS metadata set false, and then option dot token validation parameters equal new. So here we can write validate issuer true, and then validate audience true, valid audience, then valid issuer signing key. Already we have defined these three settings in our app settings.json file. So we can read the values from this file. Okay. In the startup class, we have configuration property. Using this property, we can read the values from app settings.json file. So we can write here configuration. Here we have to enter the name of the key. Here name of the key is JWT. Paste it here. Then valid audience. So copy it from here. So copy this. Here copy this valid issuer from here. For issuer signing key, the type of keys we have to use new symmetric security key. Add the namespace. This is belongs to Microsoft.IdentityModel.tokens. Here we have to use encoding dot add the namespace. Here UTF-8 and then get bytes. Here copy this configuration. Here we have to read the value from app settings file. So copy this secret here. That's it. Here name of the key is secret. Okay. So far we have added the support for JWT token bearer in this application. In our next video, we will create a login API with JWT token. Thanks for watching this video.